we are celebrating Earth Day. So Earth Day is all about being mindful of the planet that we're on and taking responsibility for our actions because it's our planet and we want to give back.
The thing is, it started with a textile drive and it snowballed into this large event that incorporates so many different people within our school and outside of our school. So we have our student council that set up a bunch of activities as well as the scavenger hunt in this beautiful forest. This is a wooded area that we have right by our school, and we're fortunate enough to have teamed up with the city of Markham last year to redesign it so that it becomes a learning space for us. And then we thought, okay, well, for Earth Day, we do an annual cleanup anyways, but why don't we make it a little bit bigger? Today is our official launch for our school, so that's another component to today's event, the cleanup. And we also invited an elder to come and have a ceremony with us to initiate the whole event, to bless the forest. And so we had Kim Wheatley, a traditional grandmother and knowledge keeper, that came and did a wonderful ceremony for us.
It was really cool seeing how everybody could work together and work in different situations to try to pick up as much garbage as we can.
I've learned that the same people who can spend time inside on technology and alone or may not be benefiting the environment all the time can also come together to do something great for the environment.
My favorite part of the day so far was having just everybody together walking around. Like, it's good exercise and we're cleaning up the community, so I think that was really fun.